Hey, this is Natalia from Glitches and Stitches. Today I'm sharing a homemade laundry detergent recipe. It takes about 5 minutes to make and you can choose your own scents. Plus it's great for cutting back on chemicals and plastic waste, so better for the environment. But most importantly, it works really well. You'll need 40 grams of Grated Castile Soap, a tablespoon of white vinegar, a tablespoon of bicarbonate of soda, also known as baking soda, and some essential oils. Here I'm using lavender. Start off with 1.5 liters of hot water. Tap water will work just fine. Add in your soap shavings. Here I'm using Marseille soap, but Aleppo soap would also do the trick. And just stir lightly until the soap is dissolved. Sprinkle in your baking soda. Add in a tablespoon of white vinegar. And finish off with 5 drops of essential oil. Once everything is mixed in, pour it into one of your used detergent containers. Sometimes the mixture solidifies a bit after cooling. If that's the case, just add in a splash of hot water and shake well before use. Follow the same dosage and instructions as you do with your usual store-bought detergent. I've been using this recipe for about the past 6 months and I'm really happy with it, but try the detergent out for yourself and let me know what you think in the comments. Follow me on all the usual social media channels at Glitches and Stitches for workshops and more DIY inspiration.